Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, fans. Here I am having avocado. As you can see. And I'm heating it with the githeri here. And I'm also having some coffee. It's called condenser. It's so sweet. This is my dinner. Today I'm eating what we call githeri, which is made from beans and maize. You boil it for several hours, for about 3 hours, before it is ready. It's so delicious. Let me show you my githeri. This is the githeri I've cooked. You mix. You boil the maize first, and it softens. Then you put beans. You boil until it is ripe. Then you fry it with the onions. I'm also cooking tea here. You see my tea is boiling. I'm also cooking tea. This is how everything looks like. This is my routine for today, Wednesday. Kindly watch the video, give it a like, leave a sweet comment, let me know what you think.